Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best hairy face wash is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in a man's grooming arsenal, and today we're diving deep into why this particular product stands out from the crowd, promising a cleaner, fresher, and more revitalized complexion that will make you look and feel your absolute best, setting a new standard for your daily skincare routine. Number 5. Viking Revolution Men's Microdermabrasion Face Scrub. Tired of dull skin and stubborn blackheads? Introducing a powerful solution designed specifically for men's skin. Get ready to reveal a smoother, clearer complexion. This microdermabrasion scrub effectively exfoliates dead skin cells, leaving your face feeling refreshed and revitalized. It deeply cleanses pores to wash away impurities. Struggling with blemishes? This formula is designed to tackle blackheads and acne, helping to reduce their appearance. Achieve a more even-toned skin surface. Say goodbye to the irritation of ingrown hairs. Using this scrub regularly can help prevent them, leading to a more comfortable shave. Prepare your skin for a closer, smoother shave. Elevate your shaving routine. This scrub acts as the perfect pre-shave treatment, ensuring your razor glides effortlessly. Experience a superior shave every time. Achieve significant results with a simple addition to your routine. It's an easy way to upgrade your skincare and maintain healthy-looking skin. Invest in your skin's future today. What we like. This scrub offers powerful exfoliation to reveal smoother skin. It deeply cleanses pores, tackling issues like blackheads and ingrown hairs. If you're looking for a deep clean and a pre-shave solution to prevent irritation, this is a great choice. What people say. This face wash is really good for oily skin. It leaves the skin feeling clean and refreshed without being too drying. The scent is subtle and pleasant, not overpowering. Number 4. Everyman Jack Beard Plus Face Wash, Sandalwood. Meet the ultimate solution for your beard and face. This product is designed to gently cleanse your skin while softening your beard. Experience the refreshing and masculine sandalwood scent. It leaves you feeling clean and revitalized. Its gentle formula effectively removes dirt and oil without stripping your skin. Keep your face feeling fresh and comfortable. Say goodbye to rough, unruly beards. Enriched with glycerin and aloe, it provides a soothing and hydrating experience. These natural ingredients care for your skin. Get more of what you love with this convenient 2-pack. Each bottle contains 6.7 fluid ounces, ensuring you're always stocked up. What we like. This wash effectively cleans both your skin and beard, leaving facial hair soft. Its refreshing sandalwood scent provides a pleasant experience. If you have a beard and want a dual-action product that simplifies your routine while smelling great, consider this. What people say. The hairy face wash for men is formulated with charcoal to deeply cleanse pores and remove impurities, leaving skin feeling refreshed. It effectively controls oiliness without overdrying the skin, making it suitable for daily use. The face wash has a pleasant, subtle scent and lathers well, providing a good cleansing experience. Number 3. The Beard Club Citrus Beard and Face Wash. Tired of juggling multiple products? This all-in-one wash is designed to simplify your grooming routine. It effectively cleanses both your beard and face. Say goodbye to rough, unruly facial hair. This formula works to soften and nourish your beard, leaving it feeling touchably smooth. It promotes a healthier look and feel. It doesn't just stop at your beard. This wash also cleanses and hydrates your skin underneath. Experience a refreshed and revitalized complexion with every use. We believe in effective yet gentle care. That's why this product is formulated without parabens or sulfates. It's a clean choice for your skin and beard. Elevate your daily grooming with the Beard Club Citrus Washington. It's the perfect blend of cleansing, softening, and nourishing for your beard and face. Get ready for a superior clean. What we like. This product acts as an all-in-one solution for both your beard and face. It effectively softens and nourishes facial hair while hydrating and cleaning your skin. If you prefer a simple, paraben and sulfate-free formula that addresses multiple needs, this is the one for you. What people say. This face wash is really good for oily skin and it helps to control the oil for a long time. It has a nice fragrance and lathers well, leaving the skin feeling clean and refreshed. The product is effective in reducing acne and preventing breakouts, giving a clear complexion. Number 2. Harry's Original Shaving Kit for Men. Introducing the Harry's Original Shaving Kit, designed for the modern man. Experience a close and comfortable shave every time. Crafted with precision, this kit features German engineering for exceptional performance. Its durable design ensures a reliable shave. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need: a comfortable razor handle, 5 blade refills, and a foaming shave gel. It's your complete solution for a perfect shave. Perfect for life on the go, this kit is TSA approved and comes with a travel blade cover. Keep your essentials secure and ready for any journey. Make a statement with the elegant ocean blue finish. It's a stylish addition to your grooming routine. Elevate your daily routine with this essential grooming set. It provides a comfortable, close, and convenient shave, wherever you are. What we like. This kit features German-engineered blades for a close and comfortable shave. It includes a foaming shave gel and a travel blade cover, making it TSA approved. If you're a frequent traveler or simply want a reliable, high-quality shaving experience with all the essentials, this kit is ideal. What people say. It cleanses the skin effectively without stripping it of its natural oils, leaving it feeling refreshed and hydrated. The formula is gentle and suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, as it does not cause any irritation or redness. It has a pleasant, subtle fragrance that is not overpowering and dissipates quickly after rinsing. Number 1. Botanic Tree Glycolic Acid Face Wash for Men. Discover the power of Botanic Tree's Glycolic Acid Face Wash, specifically formulated for men. This advanced cleanser is designed to invigorate your skin. Experience a deep cleanse with a potent 10% concentration of glycolic acid. It works to exfoliate and refresh your complexion. Infused with activated charcoal, this wash helps to draw out impurities and detoxify your skin. It leaves your face feeling clean and revitalized. The gentle scrubbing action effectively removes dead skin cells and unclogs pores. Achieve a smoother, clearer appearance with every use. This facial cleanser is your key to a revitalized and healthy-looking complexion. It's the perfect addition to your daily grooming routine. Enjoy a refreshed and energized feeling after each wash. It prepares your skin for a smoother shave and a more confident look. What we like. With 10% glycolic acid and activated charcoal, this face wash offers potent exfoliation and deep cleansing. It effectively removes impurities and revitalizes the skin. If you're dealing with dullness or uneven texture and want a powerful exfoliating cleanser, this is a strong contender. What people say. This face wash has a great lather and leaves my skin feeling clean and refreshed. The scent is subtle and masculine, not overpowering at all. It effectively removes dirt and oil without drying out my skin. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.